Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use iOS 26 Notes app hidden tools on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Note app on the phone. Did you know you can use a quick actions by long pressing a note? You can pin notes, lock them with a password, or even scan documents instantly without opening the note fully. Next, check out Smart Folder. Tap New Folder, then Add Filter, and you can automatically organize notes by tag, date, or attachment. Your notes stay neat and easy to find without extra work. iOS 26 also has hidden drawing tools. Open a note and tap the pen icon. You can now use pressure sensitive strokes, new brushes, and color palettes, perfect for sketches, diagrams, and handwritten notes. It's also inline checklist. Just type a dash and tap the checklist icon to create to-do list inside your notes. You can even record tasks with drag and drop. Also, don't forget tags. Add hashtag in your notes to categorize them. Later, tap the tag in the sidebar to see all related notes instantly. So that's it. Quick action, smart folders, hidden drawing tools, inline checklist, and tags. iOS 26 Notes has powerful tools to keep your ideas organized and easy to use. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.